Department of Health, Treatment and Rehabilitation Center, Cagayan de Oro, one of the nation's leading agencies in providing quality and holistic treatment and rehabilitation services with a multidisciplinary team who serves with integrity, respect, and commitment. The DOHTRC CDO is located at Upper Puerto, Cagayan de Oro City. It was established by the National Bureau of Investigation, Northeastern Mindanao Regional Office on March 18, 1998. The facility sits on a 5-hectare land donated by Madame Laureana Rosales, a philanthropist and a prominent businesswoman in Cagayan de Oro City. On April 1, 2005, with the promulgation of Republic Act 9165, the operation of the facility was transferred from the National Bureau of Investigation to the Department of Health. Specifically, from 2005 to 2013, DOHTRC CDO was under the management of the Northern Mindanao Medical Center in Cagayan de Oro. Later on, in 2014, oversight of the facility was transferred to DOH Center for Health Development, Northern Mindanao, and so it has remained up to this present day. Here in DOHTRC CDO, we uphold the following core values: integrity, respect, commitment, professionalism, teamwork, and compassion. For the facility's goals and objectives, the DOHTRC CDO aims to ensure efficient and effective delivery of drug abuse treatment and rehabilitation by employing the therapeutic community modality. We also aim to maintain a community and environment conducive for physical, psycho-emotional, social, and spiritual healing and recovery. And lastly, to ensure that members of the community will eventually become agents of change in the transformation of society. We serve the clients of DOHTRC CDO by employing the following treatment approaches: therapeutic community model, matrix model, cognitive behavioral therapy, motivational interviewing, and dialectical behavioral therapy. Several therapeutic activities are also conducted, which include spiritual and religious activities, advocacy lectures, sports and recreation, livelihood training and alternative learning sessions, individual and group counseling, and family support dialogues. In general, DOHTRC CDO offers the following services: residential or inpatient treatment and rehabilitation, drug dependency examination, case management, treatment planning, psychiatric consultation, medical, dental and nursing services, clinical laboratory and radiology services, psychological services through individual, group or family interventions, social welfare services, nutritional support, intensive outpatient services, aftercare and follow-up program, alternative learning system in partnership with the Department of Education, Division of Cagayan de Oro, vocational livelihood training in partnership with the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA Region 10, technical assistance through lectures, trainings and seminars, referrals, and research. With this, it is our vision that by 2030, DOHTRC CDO is the national leader in providing quality drug rehabilitation treatment and training with a professional team who serves with integrity, respect, and commitment. Thus, it is our mission that we teach, train, and treat our clients through multidisciplinary evidence-based interventions and continuing professional development.